Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to manage partial payments in Wave. If a customer pays part of an invoice instead of the full amount, Wave allows you to track partial payments. And here's how to do it. First, you're going to open the invoice for which the partial payment was made. And then under the payments section, you want to click record payments and enter the amount of the partial payment. Next, you're going to select the payment method, credit card, bank transfer, or whatever. And you're also going to need to enter the date of the payment. Once the partial payment is recorded, Wave will update the remaining balance on the invoice and show the payment status as partially paid. As additional payments are made, continue recording them to track the outstanding balance. Managing partial payments ensures that you always know how much is left to collect from each invoice. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.